Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Demi. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 huge mistakes that dropshippers may make when starting a commercial business. We have a support center and receive hundreds of tickets seeking for help from CG users each day, and found some problems happen frequently to dropshipping starters. So we sum up the mistakes that starters usually make and share with you guys. Try to avoid these mistakes, which may lead to loss of money and time. Okay, no more talking, let's get right into the point. Mistake 1. Giving up at the first failure. We are receiving questions like, hey, I've spent $10 or $20 on ads, but not yet a single sales at all. What's going wrong? Or 2 weeks passed, I haven't started making money. Am I failing dropshipping? And so many like this every single day. The problem is, you can't treat dropshipping business like vending machine, which you put $100 in and get $200 back. You may heard about that 99% of people fail in dropshipping. I'm not going to frighten you, but that's true. Because 99% starters give up when encounter a very simple problem that you can overcome with a little effort. There is a saying, a winner is just a loser who tried one more time. If you are setting about dropshipping, do never give up too easy. There are not so many lucky dogs who can succeed at the first try. Mistake 2. Starting with wrong niche or products. If you have invested a ton of money and time in your dropshipping business and still do not smell a visible success, then you should check the direction you are heading. It is usually you've set up with improper niche or products which is not competitive in your target market. In this video, I mentioned that some of our big partners make tens of thousands of bucks of sales per day. Tens of thousands of bucks. Really startling amount, isn't it? Are they just lucky enough to be the chosen ones? Definitely no. It is all about preparation. They spend tons of time searching for proper niche or products to start with. You are suggested to take the preparation work into serious. A lot of spend of time concentrating on searching for good niche or products to set about. For more tips of how to pick a winner, give a quick click to watch our previous videos of tips for dropshipping starters. Mistake 3. Chasing for trendy items. It is a common mistake for dropshipping starters. I am not saying trendy items are not good. Actually, we are constantly making recommendations of trendy products for dropshippers. But trendy products emerging every day. If you test the pet items today and then advertise on butter shipping wares tomorrow, you are not likely to succeed. Days ago, I shared the success story of one. He is a typical example of how to succeed in dropshipping. He started with necklaces and ended up with huge success in shipping wares. And Juan is definitely not the only one make success by focusing on a specific niche. Quite a lot of dropshippers succeed by selling only one product. Once money and time invested on dropshipping is limited, find a good niche and focus on it is more likely leading to success. Mistake 4. Making no preparation before running ads. It is a horrible mistake which will make great loss to you. A sad story from one of CG users, Scott, who woke up one day and found he spent $200 on ads come out with 0 sales. How does this come? Scott forgot keeping an eye on the inventory level. The product was out of stock, but his ads kept going. Customers didn't buy anything because they couldn't buy. So if you are going to test the product, make sure the supplier has enough inventory to supply. And to make it safer, you'd better have a sample to check the quality. This step helps you to avoid returns of poor quality or defects. Here is another helpful suggestion for you. If you have a winner ready and keep on running ads for it, you'd better buy private inventory for the product, which means much faster fulfillment and delivery, and you need not worry about products being out of stock. Mistake 5. Scaling up with poor service suppliers. As your business scaling up, choosing a good supplier to cooperate with has a great influence on your business. It can make or break your business. Many dropshippers start their business with AliExpress. Yeah, it seems a very simple way to start dropshipping, but as your business goes bigger, for example, if you have many winners on your store, then you have to negotiate with several sellers on AliExpress. I guess sometimes you will be confused and disoriented by checking with the correct one to fulfill your orders or solve the problems you meet. And even awkward is when a customer buys several products in your store, he receives several parcels from different sellers. This way of fulfillment will certainly lower the trust from the customers. That's why we have many clients started with AliExpress but scale up with CJ Dropshipping. Because we have our own fulfillment team and overseas warehouses as well as CJ Packet to ensure the delivery. You can have your private agent to solve your problem, and your customers will receive only one parcel with all the items he buys at a time. That's the information for today's video. Do you get informative message from this video? Leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Do not hesitate telling us about topics incurring your interest. Subscribe us so you will not miss any of our updates. Thanks so much for watching. See you at next videos.